Pharmacy in Montgomery County has been bringing in dump trucks worth of salt all weekend to give neighbors those things for free. Action News reporter Becca Henriksen was there as one of those trucks unloaded.
Backing up a promise to the community. Skippack Pharmacy is delivering salt to its neighbors ahead of the winter storm. Neighbors cheered as this dump truck unloaded in the parking lot, and with their own shovels and buckets in hand.
Nobody has any salt in stock at their stores.
Neighbors like Tim say they now feel more prepared for the snow.
Tried a bunch of different places and they're all out.
Though Mayangamin, or Dr. Mac, as he's known in this community,
all right guys, be safe out there in the snow,
says getting the dump truck of salt only took a phone call.
What I learned during the pandemic is that you never give up. When someone says you're out of stock of something, that just gives us a reason to try harder.
He tried his friends at RVG Trucking, who drove down to Delaware this morning to pick up the salt.
If we could help the community, we figured we'd do our best that we can. I made a couple calls and we were able to get some tons of salt.
While salt may be the hottest item on the market, the pharmacy isn't making a dime from this pile. They're giving it away for free, but they are hoping the community will return the generosity. The pharmacy is asking for donations to So Much to Give Inclusive Cafe.
We right now are currently open down the street, Skippack. We have the opportunity of employing those with all abilities to provide meaningful employment.
As neighbors open their wallets for a charitable cause. Dr. Mack said seeing the community come together while making his own neighborhood safer is the example he wants to set every day for his children.
I was like, should Daddy do this again? And should he get a bigger truck? And he's like, yes, Daddy, I want to see it. So for my son, I had to get this loaded, and it's here.
In Skippack Township, Becca Hendrickson, Channel 6 Action News.